Hi guys, Wolf and Sarah checking in here. It is Sunday and we have actually made some progress. You see those tails sticking out up there? Well, let me show you what they're all about. And here's what those rafter tails belong to. We were here for about 4 hours and we got 6 rafters in. And as you can see, all of them are 2x12. They're about 14 foot long from that end all the way to that end. And we marked them, cut them, and installed them. About 4 hours. So you do the math as to how long all of that is gonna take. Gonna be a while. All right. Well, it's cold in Texas. This is just afternoon. It's beginning of March. We're having the coldest day of this winter today. Right now, temperature measures just over 30 degrees with a wind chill of 22. Yeah, well, let me show you how thick that ice is.
This is just what's off of the tarp. Some of it's already melted.
So, needless to say that in these temperatures, that is not getting continued until it warms up a little bit, and then we will have to make up for the time that we're losing over the next couple of days. It has been raining for about 2 to 3 days straight. We did get some ice in the dining room again, in the pantry, and in the kitchen, as well as in the party/multi-purpose room. But you know, that's where we typically get water, and when it rains, that water just freezes. So here, Sarah just pulled some ice out of the tarp right there. So yeah, let's get rid of all of that water inside the house as much as we can. The last thing we did is to finish up the east gable wall. Almost finish up. We still have a little piece to go right there, but we've got some rafters on the front, we've got rafters on the back, we have one ridge rafter going up there, and we moved the scaffolding again and filled in those sheets of OSB that we're missing, and the next thing to do is to put that long ridge rafter up here and continue from there. Alright, next update when we continue.
Bye!